Hi, I'm Michael from Macintosh Electric, and I would like to explain our process for a job. First thing is first is the free estimate, then comes filing for the job. After we file for the job, we make sure we have all insurance documents ready to go. They are all submitted to the local municipality. Then we review the work scope of the job in great detail, identifying all material and all objections. We assign a runner for the job. We assign a team to the job as well. Then we go in great detail identifying all risk factors, contingencies, and critical path to ensure that this job gets started and completed on time or earlier. Then we actually execute the plan, monitor, and follow up. Macintosh Electric, Michael.